Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel in another video. In this video, I was inspired by Fiona Art. She just recently did a collaboration with Gail Burston from Life and Splatters, and she was doing like a fantastical creatures here. So the colors today, I'm gonna be trying to do something similar. It's the first time I've ever done it. So I'm gonna be using micas, but I have this metallic gold, black, this really cool shimmery pearlescent white purple, a green, and then a more true purple. So that's the color palette we're going to be doing. I have a small canvas and a very large split cup, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So with that, of course I'm going to try to add my own little spin to it, but with that we're going to start getting some of this paint. I want to do a black side and a white side because I'm curious to see if there's any real difference as far as the composition is concerned with the colors. I thought it was super cool the way she was it's basically a traveling ring pour, but you use the Lazy Susan to kind of change the direction of the lines, so it creates this really cool looking effect. And when I saw it, I was just, all I can say is I was inspired. It looked amazing. So we're hoping that we can create something similar, and that's really all we can do, right? So we're gonna get our paint down. I just recently shook up that artist loft. That's why you're seeing tons of tiny little bubbles in it. But how's everybody doing this holiday season? I hope everybody's doing amazing. I'm doing pretty good, besides being super busy. Super busy. I haven't been this busy with my artwork ever, so that's a good thing, right? I think so. Alright, let me see if I even have my heat gun plugged in so I can try to pop some of these bubbles, because I'd rather them not mess up the effect I'm going for. And we've got some stubborn ones. That's alright, because we got our handy dandy little popper right here, right? I'll just get rid of them this way. I'd rather not have them popping up underneath my artwork. Alright, so we've already layered our split cup, and we're going to try to recreate this now. Oh my god, this is a cumbersome cup. This is very large for what I'm going to be doing, but so let's let all the colors start flowing first. There's no purple yet, and then there it goes. All right. Yeah, Fiona, that was a crazy painting you did, if you're watching this. I'm hoping in some way that I can get something similar, because I absolutely loved it. It looked crazy. I'm not doing really good with the rings now, am I? So maybe that'll add to the effect. Who knows? I've got my elbow down on the table just so I can try to be a little more stable. But again, I'm using way too much paint. But I will be using this paint for other things too. So if there's any I don't use, it will be used. That center almost looks like a kind of like a tree. It's kind of cool. Yeah, this is looking pretty nifty actually. Yeah, but I always get inspired by the artwork you guys do. I saw it and I really wanted to try it because it looked really cool. Alright. Trying to allow some of that white to still kind of show through. And some of that black, you know. I love metallics. They're so cool. Alright. Now it's a decision point. I know if I spin it, I don't know. I do know there's way too much paint on the canvas. I can't leave it like this. So here, let's do a gentle spin, see what happens. Maybe it'll open up that center just a little bit more. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. What? It's almost like a tree with the leaves and the flowers. Let me try to see if I can get that more like centered. Yeah, this is wicked cool. Another gentle spin. Oh wow, you know what that actually looks like now? I'm seeing like a peacock feather in there. Yep, that's what I'm seeing. I'm changing directions a little bit. I want to open it up just a little. Oh wow, yeah, that's definitely looking like a peacock feather to me now. That's pretty wicked. I need some of that to go down. Not too much, just some of it. Yeah, because those really subtle folds and stuff are really showing really nicely. Oh, wow, okay. That looks a lot better than I thought it was going to. I love it. Now, it doesn't look anything like what you did, Fiona. But it still looks pretty darn cool. So let me bring you guys down so you can check it out. But the metallics in this thing are just popping. Look at these metallics in here though. These are stunning. And then right in the middle there, it looks, to me, I'm seeing a peacock feather. These colors are so cool together.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.